Here you can see I have got some interesting results from CPA network. If you also want to get good results from CPA network, then you should watch this full video. How you can generate conversions using dating CPA offers. I'm going to share with you a step by step. Guys, if you are a beginner, if you do not know anything about CPA marketing, then don't worry. I'm going to share with you beginner friendly method. You can use this method to get good results. Guys, I will also share with you how you can get targeted traffic for CPA offer. But quick disclaimer, this video is for educational and informational purposes only. I do not guarantee any income and results. Your results may vary based on your effort, skills, experience, consistency and traffic. Before we start, I want you to please subscribe our channel and like this video. And if you have any type of questions or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. You can visit on Google and you can search your Google sites. You can click here to open this URL. Guys, you can build a website with Google Sites. You can click here to see templates. Google Sites have lots of templates to choose from. You can choose any of this template. I think this is a paid templates. I'm going to create my own site. You can click here. Now click on login button. You can click on this button. Now you can click here to open this blank template. Click here to delete this header section. Now type your site name. Now I'm going to type your title. Click on text box. You can type your title. Now you can customize this title. I'm going to upload your image. Click on images button. Click on select button. Now click on Google Images. You can type your dating. Here you can see there are a lot of dating images. You can choose any of these images. You can click on insert button. Now I'm going to type your articles. You can type this kind of text. Now I'm going to insert your CPA offers link. Guys, you can join any CPA network. Like you can join Max Bounty CPA network. Max Bounty is a great CPA network. This CPA network have more than 3000 active campaigns. You can also join My Lead CPA network. My Lead CPA network have lots of campaign categories. Here you can see categories: education, loan, makeup, music, dating, beauty, and there are many more. You can also join Crakrevenue CPA network. Crakrevenue is a great, most popular CPA network. Crakrevenue network have lots of high-paying CPA offers. You can simply click on sign up button. You can sign up with Google, or you can type here your first name, last name. You can type your company's name. This is optional. You can leave it blank. You can type here your email address, password. You can read its terms of service. You can verify this CAPTCHA. At last, you can click on create affiliate account button. Once you will create successfully your account, you will then come to this page. Here you can see my results. Here you can see this year total payout. I have got some interesting results from Crakrevenue affiliate network. Here you can see offers. Guys, I have made this website related to dating. I'm going to insert your dating related CPA offer. You can click on dating button. Here you can see dating a smart link. Here you can see payout type. It's a multi CPA. Here you can see performance country. You can click here to preview this offer. You can open this CPA offer. Here you can see promotion method. You can use any of this promotion method, like you can use banner ads, browser extensions, domain redirects, emails, interstitial ads, listing native ads, push notifications, posts, stories, and there are many more. You can choose any of this promotion method. I'm going to choose post option. Here you can see URL of the CPA offer. You can click here to copy this URL. Now you can go on your Google site. You can click on this button. You can type your button name. Now you can paste your CPA link. Click on insert button. You can drag this button here. Guys, you can also insert your banner ads. You can click on this image. You can click on this link icon. You can paste your CPA link. Click on apply button. Now you can click on publish button. You can type your unique web address. Now you can click on publish button. Yeah, here we go. My Google site has published successfully. Now in next step, what you will have to do is you will have to share this landing page to get visitors. I'm going to share with you most popular platform to get lots of targeted visitors. You can go on Medium platform. This is a most popular platform. Here you can see this platform is getting more than 83 million visitors monthly. Here you can see Medium platform is getting 31.91% visitors from United States. You can get lots of visitors from this platform on your Google site. You can click on right button. Now you can sign up with Google. You can sign up with Facebook. You can sign up with your email address. You can type here your full name. You can type here your email address. And then you can click on create account button. Once you will create successfully your account, you will then come to this page. You can search your dating. Here you can see there are a lot of posts related to dating. All these posts has got good results. You can see here, this post has got 1.2k claps. This post has got 2k claps. Let me show you how you can create post on this platform. You can click on right button. Now you can type your title. You can type here your story. You can visit on your Google site. You can copy this title. Now you can visit on Medium platform. You can paste here the title. Now you can click on this plus icon. You can click here to add image. You can add here this kind of image. Now you can type your articles. You can type here this kind of articles. The 5-minute interaction that changed how I see everyone. Now in next step, what you will have to do is you will have to insert your Google site URL. You can visit on your Google site. You can click on this link icon. Here is showing Google site URL. Click here to copy this URL. Now you can go on this Medium platform. You can select any of this text. You can click on this link icon. You can paste here your Google site URL. You can scroll down. You can select any of this text. You can click on this link icon. You can paste here your Google site URL. Okay, after completing it, you can click on publish button. Now you can type your topic. You can type your dating. You can select this topic. You can type your dating. You can select this topic. Guys, you can add up to 5 topics to help readers to find your story. Now you can click on publish button. Yeah, here we go. You can see your story is published. You can share your story on Facebook. You can share your story on LinkedIn. You can share your story on X. Or you can click here to copy link of your story. Guys, here is showing my story. Here is showing title. Here is showing image. Here is showing articles. And here is showing advertisement. I think this advertisement is from medium.com platform. Here is showing clickable text. When any person will click on this text, then they are redirected on this Google site. When that person will click on this button, then they are redirected on CPA offers landing page. When that person will do any kind of activities like signing up, email submit, purchasing subscription plan, fixed dating, then Crakrevenue network may create your account. You can also visit on Facebook. You can search your dating. Here you can see there are a lot of dating groups. All these groups have thousands of members. You can share your Google site in all of these groups to get lots of visitors. So friends, you can use this strategy to get amazing results. Guys, I have made hidden secrets of CPA marketing ebook. If you want to learn about CPA marketing, adult CPA marketing, black hat method, how to get unlimited traffic, then you should check my ebook. You can visit on my YouTube channel. You can click here. You can scroll down. You can click here to check CPA marketing ebook. You can click here to join my Telegram group. If you want to learn more about CPA marketing, then you can watch this video right here. That's all for today. Please subscribe our channel and like this video, and also please share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in next video.